Chandrayaan-3 is the third Indian lunar exploration mission under the Indian Space Research Organisation Chandrayaan program. It consists of a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, similar to those of a Chandrayaan-2 mission. The propulsion module carried the lander and rover configuration to lunar orbit in preparation for a powered descent by the lander. Chandrayaan-3 was launched on 14 July 2023. The lander and rover landed at the lunar South Pole region on 23 August 2023, making India the first country to successfully land a spacecraft near the lunar South Pole and the fourth country to soft land on the moon. ISRO mission objective for the Chandrayaan-3 missions were getting a lander to land safely and softly on the surface of the moon, observing and demonstrating the rover's driving capabilities on the moon, conducting and observing experiments on the materials available on the lunar surface to better understanding the composition of the moon. In December 2019, ISRO requested the initial funding of the project, amounting to 75 crore, which is equals $9.4 million in US, out of which 7.5 million US dollar would be for meeting expenditure towards machinery, equipment, and other capital expenditure, while the remaining 1.9 million US dollar was sought for operating expenditure. Confirming the existence of the project, ISRO forming chairman K. Saivan stated that the estimated cost would be around, which is equals to 721 crore and US $90 million in 2023.